Welcome back to Good Morning San Diego. Time now is 8:33. San Diego American Health Center 4 has a hold on a groundbreaking tech device that can save lives and detect skin cancer in just a matter of minutes. To tell us more about this device, I am joined by San Diego American Health Center CEO Kevin LaChapelle and patient Reggie Smith. Good morning to you both. I believe this is the magical device right here.
That's right.
Before we get to the device, how prevalent is skin cancer and other skin ailments in your world?
Well, we've estimated about 5 million they're reporting. 5 million are reported skin cancer in this last year.
And especially here on the West Coast when we're all outside. Reggie, we're going to get to your story in just a moment, but it's a prevalent issue. Who created this device and why is it so groundbreaking?
This is DermaSensor, and we are the first ones to have it here in San Diego, so we jumped right on it when we found out about it. How we found out about it is Reggie here had skin cancer detected, and it was misdiagnosed and resulting in having to go through a lot more treatment than she needed to. While she was in surgery for that, I was looking for, is there any technology, and I found this. So I called them, and then we immediately ordered this and got it on hand now, and now we're using it.
And how accurate is it?
Like 97%.
Well, I'll take 97%. Reggie, tell us your story. When did you realize you had a problem?
My story is that I always go to have my skin checked every 3 months. And there was an issue when I went to the dermatologist. He treated it and then treated it again. And the third time we discovered it was still there. I asked for a biopsy. I realized then when the biopsy came back that it had been a serious misdiagnosis. So as a healthcare advocate, I'm urging everyone to be more aggressive, to take care of their own health, to examine their bodies at least once a month. And if you see something, do something. Make an effort to take care of yourself. Go to a dermatologist or come to the American Indian Health Center and be checked by this new device that is absolutely 97% accurate. It is controlled by AI, one of the newest, most modern things in the service for skin cancer. Skin cancer is the fastest growing disease in the United States and in the world.
But to that end, it's also one of those things, if you detect it early, your survival rate is much greater than if you let it slide, like I have, obviously. You've already found and we haven't even turned the machine on yet.
Yeah. No, that's true. And in Reggie's case, for example, if it would have been treated right away, it would have been something that you could just do a minor surgery and have it removed. But because they didn't do that, in 6 months, the melanoma got into lymph nodes, and now she's going to have a year of treatment. She had to go through a 3 to 4 hour surgery, and that's exactly right.
So that's what you're trying to help people avoid.
That's right. We want to have this early detection, and this device is amazing because you're basically just going to put it on whatever the lesion is that someone has, and it's going to be able to detect melanoma or squeamish right away. And what it does is it tells us, you know, this is something that is a high concern. In other words, let's do a biopsy. Or it may say right now it's very low, so let's continue to monitor it. So then we would tell the patient, let's come back in and check.
So I come visit the clinic. I come in, I fill out all the paperwork, make my payment. Then how long does the exam take?
So they're going to do a skin check on you. This device will just take a couple of minutes. So it's you're basically going to touch the lesion 5 different places on it, and then you're going to let it upload and analyze it, and then it's going to come back and tell you the results right then.
Reggie, as far as people who are going to be out in the sun a lot,
yes,
I think you have probably some advice for them, do you not?
Yes. It's very important that we check our own bodies, and if we see something, immediately do something. Make a contact someplace with your primary, with a dermatologist, and if you don't have a primary, you don't have a dermatologist, or you don't have good insurance, go immediately to the American Indian Health Clinic. They will check you with this new device and will give you advice as to what is the next step.
Kevin, you can't have a device like this without some people saying, oh, come on, that's like a magic 8-ball, please. You're always swimming up against public opinion or medical opinion.
Sure.
What do you say to those people who poo-poo your device?
Well, the providers are going to do a skin check anyway. So they're already going to do their exam like you would even if this didn't exist. This is just added, and with the results that it has, it's FDA approved. It's really, really nice. And the other thing is, it's very hard to get into dermatology right now. So many people are getting skin checks. So sometimes it takes months. We can get people in very quickly. We take it very serious, and we're accepting new patients all the time. So come down and we'll get it taken care of right away.
And we're going to put up on our social media where you can meet this, well, we probably won't meet you, but meet your staff. And
absolutely.
I assume this is going to become a very popular piece of machinery.
Absolutely, and especially because it's the ease of it. It's very quick, and it's a great tool for the providers to have, that additional tool they have.
I suspect I'm going to be seeing you or your ilk in the very near future.
Great.
I've already been semi-diagnosed. We'll be right back with more Good Morning San Diego.